Paano po ba mag-intro?
Kaya daw pala ganyan.
Hi, Rain Models.
Hi guys.
Hi, guys.
Hey guys, magka-ano kami po ngayon, mag-ASMR. Muna tong baso.
Okay, go.
ASMR.
Hindi siya glass, plastic.
Dapat ipagkakarap.
ASMR.
Paano ba? Hi everyone. Welcome to my guys. Jim, intro tayo. Vlog. Mag-message na.
Lalakad siya guys.
Tingnan mo.
Mata ng isda.
Nag-moist na siya lalo.
Nasa loob. May case ba yan?
Guys, may papakita kami sa inyo. Pakita mo siya. Pakita mo yung camera. Sa harap. Ay, para ano? Sorry na. Wala na kakala.
Sige. Go po.
Sa harap. iPhone. Back camera. Android. Android siya, babe.
And we're here po at Marriott sa our rehearsal.
May anong dito guys. May nag-vlog din.
Specifically ballroom.
Hello kayo guys. Ayun, nag-vlog din po sila. Vloggers.
Camera mo.
May mata siya ng isda guys.
Gago pa.
Ayan po, nasira na yung cellphone niya.
May
Android.
ano ba, be? Meron ba yung
iPhone na bili sa greenhouse.
Wala. Lumabo ka. Baka nabasa. Baka masira.
Kailangan ba may info?
Da. Shit, ang ganda.
Grabe. Bukayo.
What's... Altea? Atea, walang L. Ah, silent L.
Huwag mo matrip.
Anong name ko?
Si Kurt.
Yun yung iba kasi, binabagay na buwang silang.
Dami mong kwento.
Hindi, huwag mo naman inapit.
Yes.
Personal.
Hindi, bukayo ako dyan.
Sabi niya, ako si Kurt. Kurt.
Hindi, hindi mo siya padala.
Kuksaan. Kuksaan. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Anong pre-practice mo?
Yung ano lang, walkthrough lang. Sabi nila. Yung... Alex, saan ka na? Saan ka na? Sin Mike.
Ano sabi mo? Wala po. Magandang buhay. Sino kasama natin? Sino kasama nating artista? Wala, may artista. Kaya. Ay, sorry na. Nakamila.
Hello, I'm Joseph Martin J. Divina. I'm 20 years old and I'm ready to step into the fantasy of UP.
Uy, dito UP.
Hello everyone. I'm presenting my project for Rain Models Manila 2024 for our final output.
And we're here po at Marriott for our rehearsal sa Calgary International Fashion Week.
Specifically ballroom.
Hello kayo guys. Ayun, nag-vlog din po sila. Hi!
Are you excited? Are you excited for later, guys?
For now,
Patingin ng suot. Tingin.
ito.
May I see yours? Nice one. The brown. JM, what's color? Maong sa'yo? Maong? Ah.
Thrifting with Mama John. Here's JM. Looking for his outfit. Para siya ikakasal. Hey, nice one. Okay, let's pray. High fashion. No, hindi gaganyan. Hindi gaganyan. Yung dog show, yung ka-issue. Ate Selena, pang ilang designer mo na to?
Ha?
Pang ilang designer mo na?
5.
Yes, pangatlo na. Bukas, meron ka ulit bukas?
Hanggang Saturday.
Saturday. Shit. Wedding atake. Saka magka-burn up sa mga. I'm not ready for this role. Matured roles.
Role. But I'll do my best.
And God will provide. Ay, mali. Work na siya, work. Hey!
Pwede rin siya sa simbahan.
Nasaan yung suot mo?
Gym. Ha?
Nasaan yung suot mo? Patingin?
Not sure if paano siya suotin. Super haba.
Dress?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Super. And kinakabahan kasi first time ko mag-walk in 6.5. So,
Kaya yan. Guys,
kainan na.
saan tayo pupunta?
Kainan na po. Lunch time.
Para malinis. Ay, dito.
Holy raffle drawer here in Merritt Province. Be fair.
Are you excited for later?
Of course, why not?
Do you like what you will be wearing? Of course, you should. Hi, Kevin. Are you excited for later?
Yes. Actually, excited ako mag-brief.
Ay, did you expect that?
You wanna see my, my...
Okay, sure. Turn. Ikot mo. Nice. What's this?
Ba't ako nag-i-English?
Ano to, babe?
Necklace daw from
Oh,
Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe?
And this is hand-painted by Sir John Aplaza.
Nice one. Good luck.
Watch me later on with inspiration.
Hi, Mom.
Hello!
Are you excited for later?
I am.
May I see what's
you wearing?
what's your daw?
What's my color?
May I see? Oh, so your last name is Rain.
Yeah.
Joseph.
That's my second name.
That's second name.
Jose Rain Zamora.
Nice one.
There's a headdress for me.
Headdress.
Because I'm a graphic.
Nice.
May headpiece siya.
Yumi, may I see your headdress?
Yes.
Can you wear it? Ay, sorry.
Sabi nito daw, tas may belt.
Eh,
Ay, may yan pa daw.
atake.
May twist daw dyan, kailangan lumipad doon yung ibon.
I wanna sit down.
Picture lang siya dyan. Ganun siya. This is the setup for today. Yay, yay, yay. Guys, we have the twins here. Ito guys, si... anong sinatara mo dyan? Look at the bag. Oh.
So sick, bro.
How about you? Tingin ng likod. Okay.
With Josephine
And it's good.
and with Melinda. Ano atake niyo dyan? Bilog. Ha? Kakasal kayo? Oh, bug. Sige. Ipaamat yung dalawa oh. 8.5. Hello. Kamusta yung pagkain?
Sakto lang siya.
Bawal mang bash dito. Hello. Ito pala kapag dalawa yung shows. Naka 2 days. Pagod siya.
1 day. Or 2 days.
Pero dalawa yung damit niya. No?
Ha?
Dalawa sa isang design.
Siya?
Siya.
Ako po. Red.
Anong kulay? Red
Red
and
collection and black.
pasabog. Ikaw? Ay, siya yung naka-brief lang din. Naka-brief ka lang din, di ba kanina? Mamaya.
Slide? Ano
Paano yun?
Rain din siya.
yung rain?
New Gen.
Nugent si Diesel.
Ito pa ba yung scissors?
So, di lang siya nagsasalita.
Financial lang siya.
Ay, ano atake ng cup mo?
Sabi mo ba sa ano?
Ikaw, anong ginagawa? Nag-aaral ka? Ah,
Kanino notes?
TikTok.
Good luck.
Sila yung mag-o-open ng show.
Mag-open ng show. Anong kulay ng suot mo? Anong kulay ng suot mo? Black?
Muna mga rain.
Wala mga PG.
Muna yung rain oh.
Gabi oh. Shit.
Nahipan ng amin.
Wala lang natirang bread. Look at that. There's a lot of good designs made by Mama John. And here's Sky. Shit, atake. Are you excited for later? Nakita mo na suot mo? May see? Oh, the green one. Ooh.
Parang ano siya dyan? Princess Just.
Atake. Tama. Hi ka naman.
Okay, folks, practice folks. Grabe, bro, be flexible. Actually, no. But I feel like that would be too sensual.
Huh?
That would be a little bit too sensual.
Sexual?
Sensual, yeah. But a little bit flirtatious. You know what I mean?
Ah, really?
Yeah, it's not gonna be editorial.
How about this? Kaya ganito lang. Mas masama yung mga basic na ganyan. Tapos ganito lang.
Okay, that would be.
Welcome to Talk Show. Ian Listen. Sino ka dyan? Luis Manzano. Uy.
So hey guys, I'm gonna tour you around. We're here. So you have 3 rounds here. So you have the first photo shoot over here, and then another one over here. That one, and then the third one for the video. Oh. Okay.
Is that your phone?
No, it's Jess's. It's Jess's.
us in the shared pursuit of beauty that knows.
I'm wearing artistic creation by one and only.
Kayo?
Artistic originals. Okay, everyone, we count 3, 1, 2, 3.
Congrats!
Don't just say it, slay it.
Shit, pangarap ko to sila. Idol ko sila.
Dapat lang sumama ka, Kevin, no?
Di, kasama na ako para sa'yo.
Hello! Grabe naman, rain domination.
Hindi yung DPD.
Oo.
Ano ko na dapat na-judge
Pag general.
Kasama ko to. December pa naman upload ito eh.
J-O-E, House Z. Galing ko dito.
Hi guys! Our fashion show just finished and we'll just go take a pack. Hi guys! Fashion show done and punta lang kami ng hotel just to rest a little bit and here they are. Guys! Eh, hindi nakakasosyal. Ang pangit nun. Shit. Ang aming susunod na Luis Manzano. Ang susunod na Showtime host. Why you're so fresh lately? Like, do you have some like supplements you take? Oh, it's water. Oh, water therapy. What can you say about her? Like, no, hindi siya nakakasocial, right? Shit, banding.
Oh my God, di ka nag-kinder? Siyempre, di ka...
Sa classroom.